Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this gorgeous unit. This unit came with pre-made baby hairs, pre-cut lace. All you have to do is some minor touches to make the unit custom for you, but for the most part everything comes done for you. This unit was so easy to put on, so easy to style. I really like these curls. I love how the wig fits. Like the cap is just so snug. It has a drawstring in the back so you can make your unit, you know, tight, and it also has these like silicone strips. I'll show you guys later, and that keeps the wig in place. Like it doesn't slip, it doesn't slide, like it fits so perfect on my head. It feels like a custom wig I made. So if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this wig, keep on watching. Okay you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So this wig is 24 inches and this is supposed to be their no slip wig, okay? And this is how it comes packaged. It comes packaged really nice. I've never seen this on a unit. It comes with baby hairs already pre-made. Let me take off all the stuff. Oh, I like how this wig looks on the inside. It's different. Okay guys, so I really like how this wig is made. I like the thin elastic strap in there. The wig features anti-slip grips. It's right here by the area by your ear and also around the entire perimeter of the cap. They also have anti-slip strips right here. That'll be like on your head, like in the back. This is gonna keep your wig from sliding back. I like that. The grips are in the back too. So this is the closure. As you can see, looks very natural. It's already pre-cut and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit. When you have a band, you wanna go ahead and do the band first. Band first and then wig. And you just go ahead and adjust. Our unit is on. I'm gonna pull the drawstring. The drawstring really made the wig fit like snug. I'm not gonna use any products to tack down my lace. What I'm gonna do is cut my lace a little bit because it's a little bit low. I'm gonna spray a little bit of lace tint because the lace is a little light for my complexion. Now, I have tried a lot of the newer lace tint products, but to me, the OG lace tints work the best. If you guys would like another tutorial on how to make your own lace tint, I'm happy to do one. But y'all see, after you spray lace tint, it just looks flawless. And I'm gonna have to go in and thin out some of these baby hairs because these baby hairs, they're a little big for my liking. So what I'm gonna do is take my tweezer and just go in and take out a few of the baby hairs. That looks really good. I'm gonna go to the other side and I'm gonna pluck a little bit from the front too. Not a lot because it's already plucked perfectly. I gave it a really light pluck and it's giving scalp. I'm gonna use an edge brush and I'm gonna spray a little bit of holding spray on the edge brush. I'm just gonna lightly tame the baby hairs. Okay, you guys, so the hair is installed and it feels very natural. It's very lightweight. What I'm gonna do is spray some like water and conditioner in the hair because I wanna define the curls a little bit more. Okay, you guys, so our unit is all dry. This texture is this is a nice loose curl. The hair doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like too much. It's the perfect density and it looks so natural. I really love this wig and it was so easy to install. The hair is easy to define. If you guys are interested, check the description bar below. Links and details will be down there. So I believe that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to thumb this up and comment below. Let me know if you like this unit. And don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Subscribe. Thanks so much for watching another one of my videos, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.